Hey everyone, Ellen here. We all know dogs are amazing. They're cuddly, playful, and they steal our hearts. But did you know their noses are super sniffers? It's like having a furry detective right by your side. Dogs can sniff out almost anything. Lost keys? No problem. Hidden treats? They'll find them. And guess what? They can even help us find things we never thought possible, like missing people. It's all thanks to their incredible sense of smell. So, get ready to be amazed as we discover the incredible world of dog scent detection. Have you ever wondered how your dog knows you've been near other dogs? It's not magic. It's their incredible sense of smell at work. It's all in their nose. Dogs have an extraordinary olfactory system that allows them to detect even the faintest of scents. Dogs have up to 300 million scent receptors. That's way more than our measly 5 million. This means they can pick up on smells that are completely undetectable to us. They even have a special organ called the Jacobson's organ, or the vomeronasal organ, that helps them process smells separately from their regular breathing. This organ is located on the roof of their mouth and is used to detect pheromones. Think of it like this. When we smell something, it's like hearing a single note. Our sense of smell is quite limited compared to theirs, but when a dog smells, it's like hearing a whole orchestra playing different instruments. They can distinguish between a multitude of scents all at once. That's why they can pick out individual scents, even in a crowded room. Pretty impressive, right? Their noses are so powerful that they can even detect diseases, find missing persons, and identify specific substances. Truly, a dog's sense of smell is one of nature's most remarkable abilities. Now you might be thinking, my dog just loves sniffing squirrels. Well, that natural sniffing ability can be trained for something even cooler: scent tracking. It all starts with fun games. Hide a treat or a favorite toy, and let your dog use its nose to find it. As they get better, make the hiding spots trickier. You can even use a special scent article, like a piece of cloth, and teach your dog to identify that specific smell. There are also professional dog trainers who can help your furry friend become a scent tracking superstar. Section 4. On the trail. Using your dog to locate a thief. Okay, so let's say something has been stolen. It could be anything from a valuable item to a personal belonging. Don't worry, your dog is on the case. With their incredible sense of smell, they can be your best detective. First, you need to collect a scent article related to the thief. This is crucial for your dog to identify the scent. This could be something they touched, like a piece of clothing, a hat, or even a glove. It could also be a tool they used or even a doorknob they turned. Anything that has their scent on it. The fresher the scent, the better. Fresh scents are easier for your dog to track and follow. Now, carefully present the scent article to your dog, letting them sniff it thoroughly. This helps them lock onto the specific scent. Once they've got the scent locked in, give them the seek or find it command. This tells them it's time to start searching. Make sure to keep them on a leash and follow their lead as they track the scent. Stay close and watch for any signs they pick up on the trail. When your dog finds something, be sure to reward them. Positive reinforcement is key to successful tracking. Celebrate their success and let them know they did a great job. This will encourage them to keep up the good work in future searches. Section 5. Stay focused. Keeping your dog on track. Remember, tracking scents can be distracting, especially outdoors. To help your dog stay focused, make sure they've had plenty of exercise beforehand. A tired dog is less likely to get sidetracked by squirrels or passing cars. Positive reinforcement is key. When your dog successfully follows the scent, shower them with praise, treats, and maybe even a game of fetch. This will keep them motivated and eager to please. Section 6. A trained dog, your best friend and partner. Dogs have been our loyal companions for centuries, and with the right training, they can become even more integral to our lives. Having a well-trained dog is truly amazing. It's not just about teaching them tricks or commands. It's about creating a harmonious relationship where both you and your dog understand and respect each other. It's not just about finding lost things or even catching thieves. A trained dog can assist in various tasks, from helping in search and rescue missions to providing emotional support and companionship. It's about strengthening the bond you share and giving your dog a sense of purpose. When your dog feels useful and appreciated, it boosts their confidence and happiness, making them an even better companion. Plus, it's a lot of fun watching them work their magic. Whether it's navigating an agility course or performing a new trick, the joy and pride you feel are unmatched. So if you're looking for a new adventure with your furry friend, give scent training a try. This type of training not only stimulates their mind, but also taps into their natural instincts, making it a rewarding experience for both of you. You never know, your dog might just surprise you with their incredible abilities. From finding hidden objects to alerting you to specific scents, their potential is limitless. And who knows, you might even have a future detective on your hands. Imagine the adventures you could embark on together, solving mysteries and exploring new places. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more fun and amazing stories. See you next time. Your support helps us bring more exciting content to you and your furry friends.